All right, on number 12, once again, this is in standard form. We have x's and then y's and then equals a constant. So this is another one that I personally like elimination. But if you want to solve for y and put it in the calculator, go right ahead. Okay, so the x's do not cross off, the y's do not cross off. So nothing seems obvious, so I'm just going to try the x's. Always start with the one that's farther from 0, so 9 is farther from 0. How do I get 9 to cross off? Well, I would need a negative 9. So I want negative 9, and I'm going to divide it by what I have that I don't want. I don't want 8. And if I divide that out, I'm going to get a decimal. Well, whenever that happens, you're just going to say, no thank you, and try the other one. Okay? So the x's didn't work, so let's try the y's. I'm always going to go with the number that's farther from 0, so negative 10. How do I get negative 10 to cross off? Well, I need a positive 10. So I want a positive 10, and what do I don't want? I don't want negative 2. So positive 10 divided by negative 2 is negative 5. So I'm going to be multiplying by negative 5. I always want to multiply the equation that has what I don't want. I don't want negative 2. That's this equation. So I'm multiplying by the bottom equation this time times, sorry, it's negative 5 right here. Make sure you're multiplying by the right thing. Multiplying by negative 5. If you pick the wrong number, you do something wrong, it just won't cross off later, and you'll know you need to try again that you didn't get the right number. So the first equation I didn't change, so 9x minus 10y equals negative 5. Negative 5 times 8x is negative 40x. Negative 5 times 2y is a positive 10y. Negative 5 times 30 is a negative 150. So then these do cross off, the y's do, so therefore I did it right. So I've got negative 31x equals negative 155. And if I divide by negative 31 on both sides, I'm going to get x equals 5. So then, now that I have my x, I need to put it back up in here to find my y. So I'm going to use this top equation here, 9, but I don't want to put x because I know x is 5. Put that in parentheses. Minus 10y equals negative 5. So 9 times 5 is 45. Minus 10y equals 9 times, oh, wait a minute, let's see, equals negative 5. So I'm going to minus 45 from both sides. And I've got negative 10y equals negative 50. Divide both sides by negative 10, and I get y equals 5. So x is 5 and y is 5. All right, good luck on the test tomorrow.